What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 83 cents, down 4.26 on the day, sitting in market cap of 7.13 billion, 24-hour volume 265 million. The tropical rain always likes to start when I'm making Matic videos for some reason. If you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up to $30,000 in bonuses. After you make your first deposit, send me an email, all links in the description, and I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So, our original count is still playing out. Wave 2 pullback zone. We saw a rejection. So far, we are seeing continuation to the downside. However, if we were to bounce, I think there is potential to see a bounce, but it's starting to dwindle here. But if we did bounce, then all I'm looking at is that you're just putting in a bit of a steeper wave 2 pullback. Unless it comes up and breaks 0.963 to invalidate it, then I'm still looking for a continuation to the downside. But we can just continue down from here. We've already put in an ABC correction, so what we may be looking at is that we come down in a small 1, 2, looking for a 3, 4, 5, just to complete a wave 1. A wave 2 pullback, 3, 4, 5 to come down to that wave 3 price target of 0.060. If we look at this chart here, we broke down from the symmetrical triangle. It looks like we're trying to reach the target here. As you can see, we broke down. Let me zoom in. We broke down from these high volume nodes right here where we started to break down. And where did we find support, guys? We found support. Yeah, there were some high volume nodes right here where we found support. So that's what I've been telling you on the larger scale with Bitcoin. There's not a lot of previous trading volume at the current price. The next high volume nodes are in between 10 to 12K, which I do think we're going to come down to. If we look at the daily time frame, we have printed the bearish cross, and when you see the bearish cross in a downtrend in a bear market after having basically a bullish cross fake out, it usually leads to continuation to the downside. And the next support to watch here, if we do come down, is about 68 cents. We also have support here at about 78 cents if we are going to see a little bit of a bounce in the short term. But as you can see, if we break down from these high volume nodes, your next little bit of volume is down here at about 68 cents, but your next major volume is here at about 63 to 64, and then down at this yellow box in between 56 and 61 cents. I do believe Matic is coming down to the 40-cent range, as I've been mentioning here. I think we're going through a wave C of an ABC correction into a wave 2 pullback. That will bring you down. That will bring you down in between the 40-cent range. I have to adjust this here. Yeah, just adjust this quickly. I was just showing that there is a possible scenario if we created a lower low that all of this was a wave 4. But the more likely scenario right now is that the 5-wave move is complete from the all-time high. All of this was a wave 1, and you're looking to ABC into a wave 2 pullback into the 40-cent range before pushing up in a wave 3, in my opinion. We'll see how it plays out. But so far, everything's been playing out to a T. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, grab those bonuses, make your first deposit, or BitGet, whichever you prefer, and send me an email after you made your first deposit. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It is $10 USD per month to have early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL all plays, but every other chat room is free. If you sign up to one of the exchanges, you email me or sign up email after you made your first deposit. All right, guys, all links in the comments and the description, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.